Hi friends, today video about Nokia C200. Nokia C200 performance and battery. The Android 12 operating system, which the Nokia C200 uses, provides an almost stock experience. A MediaTek Helio A22 octa-core CPU with 8 functional cores powers the smartphone. It has a low-end PowerVR GE-class GPU and 3 GB of RAM for daily tasks. A gentle reminder that the phone is lacking of a fingerprint scanner. This low-cost Nokia Android phone has a 4000 mAh LiPo battery inside. It comes with a specialized charger for charging right out of the box. Given the size of the battery, a day's worth of usage on the phone may be possible. Nokia C200 camera and display. The Nokia C200 smartphone has a 6.1-inch IPS LCD screen. The smartphone has an HD Plus display with a resolution of 720x1600px and a pixel density of 297 ppi. There are also big bottom chin notches and side bezels on the display. A single 13MP back camera with an LED flash is included in the smartphone. Additionally, it allows for FHD 1080p video recording. Nokia has an 8MP selfie camera inside the notch for users to take pictures of themselves. Nokia C200 connectivity and storage. The Nokia C200 smartphone has 32 GB of internal storage. The phone, on the other hand, has a separate SD card slot for storing more data. The phone has 4G, Volt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a 3.5mm audio connector, and a micro USB port for communication. It also has Google's GPS, with a GPS for online location monitoring. Buy for an IPS LCD screen, a 13MP rear camera, an 8MP front camera, a MediaTek Helio A22 CPU, 3 GB RAM, a 4000 mAh battery, and expandable memory. IP52 water resistance. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change.